Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen picture on a MacBook. All right, let's begin. First, head over to your MacBook home screen and open System Settings. Once the settings window opens, scroll down through the left-hand menu and click on Wallpaper. Here, you'll see a collection of built-in wallpapers that you can use for your MacBook lock screen and desktop background. To use one of the default wallpapers, simply click on the image you want, and it will automatically apply to your MacBook. If you want to use your own custom picture instead, click on the Add Photo button. After that, browse through your files to find the image you want to use. Once you select the photo, it will instantly become your new lock screen wallpaper. After changing the wallpaper, you can test it by clicking on the Apple logo again and selecting Lock Screen. Your MacBook will now display the new picture on the lock screen. This method works on both MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models running recent versions of macOS. So that's basically how you can change the lock screen picture on a MacBook. That's it for this video. Thanks.